Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a pixel text effect on your Canva on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create the pixel text effect on your Canva on your computer. So for that, first of all, just going to insert a text here. I'm just going to name as my name and just keep it on the caps so it will be look great. And so after creating the text, you just need to click on the font option, and here you just type X pixel. So after typing X pixel, you can find lot of pixel font here, so you can just easily adjust the font size and you can just keep it on the center. You can find a ways of pixel text effect here. You can find a different text pixel, so every pixel text font have a different effect, so you can just type as pixel and just change it according to your wish. So this is how you just create a pixel text effect on your Canva on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.